So everyone, welcome back to part 2. If you didn't see part 1, please go back to lesson 20 part 1. We're going to continue on reading the two-digit numbers from 11 to 19. And like I said, we read from, when there are two digits, we read from right to left. Okay, so we read the one on the right first, then the one on the left. Now, I'm going to read them for you, and you will notice something. So, let's start with 11. It will be 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Okay, what you should have noticed is that the word عشر was repeated in each of these numbers because عشر, which is عين شين راء عشر, okay, is refers to the 10. Okay, so this word refers to the 10. So we say إحدى عشر. So when we say إحدى, okay, we're referring to the 1, إحدى, and then we say عشر, إحدى عشر. Here, for example, it's أربعة عشر. أربعة عشر. Okay, now the other thing that I want you to notice is that 1 and 2 here, in this case, were not pronounced as واحد or اثنان. It was the 1 usually is called واحد, but here it's called إحدى. Okay, this is إحدى, and you say this is ألف مقصورة. Okay, إحدى, and اثنان, which is 2, is pronounced as إثنى. Okay, إثنى, and then we say عشر to say it's 12. Okay, so just be familiar that sometimes the 1 and 2 in numbers are written as إحدى, okay, and إثنى rather than واحد and إثنان. Okay, and we will see that later. So إحدى عشر, إثنى عشر. From here on, from 13 to 19, it's very easy. You just say the first letter, then you say عشر. So you say, sorry, the first number. So you say ثلاثة عشر. Okay, and notice that I say ثلاثة. So I add فتحة on the ta مربوط at the end here. At the last letter of the word, we add فتحة. So it's ثلاثة عشر. Same here. Say أربعة عشر. خمسة عشر. Okay, so you should be able to do the rest, but I'm going with you to continue with you, but very fast. So this is خمسة عشر. The next one would be going to give you 3 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3. It should be ستة عشر. Okay, ستة عشر. Okay, سبعة عشر. ثمانية عشر. Okay, and تسعة عشر. I'm writing them just so that you remember how to write in Arabic. Okay, so this is تسعة عشر, just like a reminder for the lessons from before. Okay, good. So 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Okay, so let's go to the next group. So now when we start from 20 to from 21 to 99, it will be a bit easier. So because the rule becomes like that, you say the first, there are two-digit numbers, right? You say the first number as we learned from 1 to 9, okay, and then you say wa, okay. Of course the exception is the numbers 20, 30, 40. You don't say صفر و 20, you say 20, okay. So so two-digit numbers, this could be from 1 to 9, and this could be also actually from 2 to 9, okay. So you say the number, then the second number. Let's take an example. We learned from 1 to 10, right? From 0 to 10 actually, and we learned 20, 30, 40, until 90. So let's take a number between 20 and 99, and I'll say this number. So I'm gonna do this one. So this would be ستة, right? ستة, and then we add wa, and the second number, which is, in this case we don't say ثلاثة, we say ثلاثين, okay, because it's 30. ستة وثلاثين, okay, which is 36. We read it actually exactly the opposite of English, and after a while you will really get confused when you actually say it. So anyways, for now it's, this number is in Arabic ستة وثلاثين. ستة وثلاثين. ثلاثين. Okay, I don't need to add anything. ثلاثين. Okay, ستة. I can say it either ستة وثلاثين or say, actually ستة وثلاثين, or say ستة وثلاثون. Okay, so we have two ways, ستة وثلاثين, or you can say the other possible way is ستة وثلاثون. Okay, ستة وثلاثون or ستة وثلاثين. This is totally grammar. I'm not gonna confuse you with this stuff. So it's, you either say ستة وثلاثين or say ستة وثلاثون. Okay, I'm going to start a kind of an exercise thing. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to say the next number. So let's say this number. Okay, what is this number? It is سبعة وثمانين. Right? سبعة وثمانين. So you say سبعة وثمانين, or you say سبعة وثمانون. Anyways, let's stick with one. Okay, another exercise very quickly because time is running out. Let's say, what is this number? It is تسعة or تسعة وتسعين. Okay, تسعة وتسعين. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the last one before I go. Let's say this one. What is this one? It should be خمسة, okay, وعشرين. خمسة وعشرين or خمسة وعشرون. Okay, that's it for today. I'm sorry if I'm going very quickly, but I cannot fit everything in on time. I hope you learned, you enjoyed this lesson and you learned something. Until next time, see you later.